In this video, we're going to talk about how to make a first SD-WAN API call with Python. So we're going to log in and get the list of devices. So these are the summary steps. So we're going to log in to vManage or Cisco Catalyst SD-WAN Manager using Python. And we're going to make a call to the REST API endpoint to get the list of devices. And we're going to print the device names and IDs on the screen. Okay, so the first step is we install the required libraries. So in this case, we are just installing requests. So I can copy and paste this and go here in VS Code, and I can just paste that command. So we see that requirement already satisfied. So it's been installed already. And the next step is we create a file named this. So get SD-WAN devices. That's the name of the file, Python file. So I'm gonna click on new file and paste that name. And we create the Python code. Let me just copy and paste this code and explain it a bit. So here we are installing requests and URL lib3. So we use lib3 to ignore SSL warnings for the sandbox, because sandbox in this case is using self-signed certs. And here these are the sandbox credentials. So this is the host, the URL, right? Username, password. And in this line, we are creating a session to persist cookies. So in this case, we are using JSessionID to log into the APIs. So yeah, that's the reason why we are creating a session instead of using calls without using the cookies. And here in this step, we are going to log in and get the cookies called JSessionID, right? So this is the URL login or the API login, right? And this is the payload. And here we are sending a post call. So we are using the session object, and we are storing the result of this call to a variable called resp. Here in this line, we are checking if the status code is not 200 or JSessionID is not in session.cookies. So if either of these is true, we raise a error or exception, and we print login failed. If none of this is true, we print session ID and the cookies itself, the JSession ID itself, and then we say logged in successfully. And here, step 2, this is where we retrieve the list of devices, right? So we are saving the URL into a variable called devices URL, and then we make a get call, and then we save the result of this call into a variable again called resp. And we are checking if the status code is not 200. If it's not 200, we say this exception. So failed to retrieve devices, the status code, and the response in text. If this is not true, we save the response into a variable called devices, which becomes Python dictionary. So it says here, convert the JSON API response into a Python dictionary. So this is a dictionary because of that JSON method. And here we are just printing retrieve devices. And this is a list, right? We are basically iterating over a list, this list, and we are printing the host name and the device ID of each devices. So let me go ahead and run the code. So Python get SD-WAN devices.py. Okay, so looks like the call was successful. So we were able to log in. So this is the JSessionID or cookies, right? And we see the retrieve devices statement here. And then we see the list of the SD-WAN devices. So that's how you can make your first SD-WAN API call with Python. Okay, so hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.